Good morning, lovelies. Alrighty, you ready for this one? This is awesome for school holidays and for kids' lunch boxes and that. It's killer. Alright, so we're going to do it in this order and it'll be really easy. Get yourself the lamington tray, 20 by 30 centimetre roughly. Put some butter in it first. Put your baking paper in so it sits in there nice and snug for you. Alright, next thing we need is we've got to get 4 cups of rice bubbles or puffed rice. They could be called somewhere else as well. Okay, with the 4 cups you need it in a big bowl because after we need to mix it all up in it, so it has to be a big bowl. Now you need 155 grams roughly of choc chips. So we want to put half of that in with them now. And we want to leave half to sprinkle over the top, alright? Then just give it a quick mix in and put it aside. The next thing we're going to do is we get 90 grams of butter, chop it up in a reasonably decent sized saucepan. Because with that, we need 250 grams of marshmallows. Now normally I'd use the packets with the white and pink ones in them, but I don't have any at the moment and I bought these for the fireplace, so I'm just going to give these a go today and hope they work. So these are the jumbo roasters. So this is a 300 gram packet, so I'll just take a couple out and then it's 250 gram. Now because I'm using these and not the normal little ones, check these babies out. So because I'm using these and not the normal little ones, I'm going to chop them all in half so that the normal size, right? And then I'm going to throw them all in the saucepan with the butter. And then we're going to put our stovetop on very low and we're going to melt the butter and the marshmallows together, and you're just going to keep mixing until the whole thing's blended in and it's all smooth. Alright, well the big ones worked. They just took a bit longer than the little ones would. But I think I said to you low heat, scrap that, make it a medium heat. So put your dial halfway. And as soon as it starts melting, constantly stir it. Awesome this is. Hang on, I'll show you in 2 secs. Alright, so you want to do it until it looks like this. Look at this. Yum, yum. All good, eh? It's killer. Alright, so if you can do the white and pink ones, obviously it's going to look pink. Okay, you want to pour it all in. Mix it up straight away. Okay. Once it's all mixed up, pour it all into your pan. Once you've finally got it in your pan, the only way to do this is with wet hands. Otherwise it will just stick to everything. So make sure your hands are wet. Push it all in. Push it all down. Try and get it even. If it starts sticking, wet your hands again. Alright, put on your choc chips. Sprinkle them all over. I love using lots, of course. Alright, push them down a bit with your fingers. Alright, and in the fridge it goes for about 2 hours. It's been a couple of hours. Now what I forgot to say before to you is that if you want like pure white ones, like the Lcm bars, just don't put the choc chips in them. Just put choc chips on top after, and then you can have them pure white. And if you want them really chocolatey, use Cocoa Pops. And put the choc chips in as well. Alright, so we just slice them up however you want to do them. So I'll try and do them roughly in the size of the bars. There you have it, my friends. Homemade Lcm bars. They're awesome. They're heaps sweet. I wouldn't normally have them in that big. I'd make them in little squares. But they're great for the kids' lunches. They're great for school holidays. Thanks heaps for watching. I'll be back really soon with something else. Bye!